Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ziv Navoth.
For 30 years, every site on the internet has resembled a flat brochure. Visitors scroll, bounce, or wait for a chatbot to provide them with canned answers. Well, today I'll show you how any brand can spin up a fully functional AI website in minutes. With no engineers, no months-long project, and using just one guided flow, site owners can transform their static website into one that can talk, sell, and help visitors, all for about $1 an hour. Napster Spaces turns any URL, bank, university, NGO, vintage sneaker blog, into a conversational, brand-aligned AI experience. You get the speed of a site builder plus advanced AI without writing code or prompts. Any team can turn a regular site into an AI experience in minutes. For the first time, static pages can be upgraded into interactive assistants. Visitors get real-time experiences on the fly. For this demo, I'll be using luxanthropy.com, a luxury resale boutique. Watch what happens in real time. Let's take a look at the site and see how we can transform it using the power of Agentic AI. As soon as I hit enter, a team of AI specialized agents gets to work. First, the persona architect. It analyzes the site's content and brand DNA, then designs an AI assistant that nails its voice and tone. Next is the stylist agent. Makes sure that the assistant looks and sounds like a seamless brand extension. Then the set designer comes in. It builds an immersive showroom that echoes the brand's aesthetics down to the last recycled silk pillow. And finally, the instructor. It loads the assistant with product knowledge and etiquette so every customer interaction feels effortless and on brand. All of that happens before I even click next. The agents then auto-generate a boutique stage. No 3D artists, no Unity builds. The same flow works for a law firm, an engineering company, or medical practice. The generated space matches the business. Imagine an outdoor scene for a farm equipment manufacturer, a professional office for a CPA, or a stadium for a sports brand. Spaces picks colors and visuals based on everything it just reviewed. Next, I provide the space with a knowledge base. I can simply drag and drop product CSVs, PDFs, or blog archives. I can even point it to an existing URL. Minutes later, the agent can cite carbon footprint data or SEC clauses with the same fluency as your most knowledgeable associate. By adding an FAQ, I can further ground the agent and provide it with anything it should be able to answer by heart. Ask, what's your return window? Or how did you guys get started? And I get an immediate answer. Because FAQs are stored directly in the agent, responses appear almost instantly. And as we all know, faster answers improve trust and help more visitors finish their purchase. First impressions matter. That's why Spaces lets you customize the welcome settings and greet users in an on-brand message. I can even add starter questions to help any visitor get to where they're heading quicker. Not every question deserves an answer. Politics, competitors, I can use deflect mode to steer the conversation away from sensitive topics. If a shopper asks a challenging question, the agent will smile, thank the user, and nudge them back on track. Power users, this is where you pop the hood. The prompt editor exposes the agent's instructions. Edit its prompt to fine-tune its behavior. Hit save, and your assistant's mind rewires in real time. No redeploy, no downtime. Ready to ship? Spaces gives you 3 options. A full web page option, where your agent lives at its own shareable URL, an embeddable module that lets you drop the entire experience, and a lightweight option. The Mentor-only option lets you deploy just the avatar widget, no background included. No matter which option you pick, Spaces automatically sends usage data to your analytics dashboard so you can track performance without extra engineering work. Happy with the setup? Hit publish. Spaces renders the 3D boutique, bundles the agent, drops an embed code in my clipboard. What used to be a month-long expensive project is now a coffee break decision. And there we have it. From a simple URL to a fully interactive AI flagship in under 3 minutes. The result? A 24/7 concierge that greets, guides, and converts. No code, no compromises. That's the power of Napster Spaces. Thank you.